Just in case you are looking for how to grow vegetables in your garden, here I have vegetable they called waterleaf. This waterleaf is used to cook vegetable soup. You can use it for so many things. You can use it to prepare your sauce to eat your white yam, your plantain. You can use waterleaf to do so many things. So here I planted this waterleaf. I started by the one I bought from the local market. After plucking the leaf, the stems, the stick that I need to throw away, I did not throw them away. I have to plant them inside my garden, and they grew, and eventually they have to bear seeds. So I have to harvest the seed and replanted the seed. So now I have numerous of waterleaf plants in my garden. This one you are seeing here, they are the ones I planted with the seed, a very tiny seed. It's very simple. If you plant these seeds in your garden, within 3 to 4 days they will start sprouting out. So I have a fresh, green looking healthy waterleaf. No fertilizer, no chemical is added to this plant. It's just natural. This is a mature seed. I will harvest this seed, spray it under the sun for 2 days for them to dry very well. Then I will keep them in a safe place. In my next video, I'm going to use this to prepare different kind of vegetable sauce and vegetable soup. Then this is the ones I harvested. This is just the small out of what I have harvested. So I will keep them in a room temperature, safe in a clean container, and I will be using these seeds from time to time. Anytime I feel like I want to plant a new water leaves. You see how black the seed is? So you can do this inside container, pour sand, spray a little of this seed. They are tiny seed. So this is me harvesting my seed. Yeah, I harvest them, then I will still spread the seed under the sun for a day, a full day or 2 days. Then I will keep them safe in a clean, dry container in a room temperature. This seed can last for like 2 years without anything happening to them. So you can keep this seed and you can use it any time of your choice. Okay, it's very simple. Waterleaf is a healthy plant. In fact, ask any Nigerian person about waterleaf and the result they will give you, you will be surprised. So this is the ones I harvested on this day. Yeah, as many as you cannot count this seed. This seed is as tiny as sand. Yes, it's as tiny as sand. Very tiny seed. So I harvested this one this very day. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos coming your way.